He's gonna get help. He doesn't know how to work the
He's like Altersdorf.
yeah.
Yeah.
There
Thank
he
you.
is.
Okay.
All right, it's cause number 2025 CC 004258, State of Texas versus Michael Christopher Marshall. Are you Michael Marshall?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Marshall. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Marshall, is it okay with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Let me see. Oh, I don't have anything on this guy, so I don't know. Is it a habitation or a private property, guys? There's nothing checked.
It's private property, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Marshall, criminal trespass private property is a class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Marshall, you have several legal rights, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you. And Mr. Marshall, what that means, sir, is you could, if you wanted to, ask the state of Texas to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Marshall, your attorney can call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Marshall, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, Mr. Marshall, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Marshall, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
You understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, because these documents tell me, Mr. Marshall, that you do understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Marshall, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Marshall, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However,
Yes, sir.
if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, Mr. Marshall, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Marshall, do me a favor, sir. Listen up. State of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. All right, go ahead, Sabrina.
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement's for a $0 fine, court costs, 16 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Ms. Miller, is that the agreement?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Mr. Marshall, is that what you agreed to?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ms. Miller, does Mr. Marshall have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, he does.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, he has.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, he is.
Mr. Michael Christopher Marshall, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Marshall, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Mr. Marshall, you understand, sir, I can still find you guilty based upon that plea.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, promised you anything to make you plead, sir?
No, sir.
Doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Marshall. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of criminal trespass to private property. I assess punishment at $0 fine, the cost of court 16 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, Mr. Marshall, so your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Marshall, this was a plea bargain, sir. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Marshall, do you have any questions, sir?
Thank you, sir.
No, you're welcome, sir. You take care of yourself. Stay well, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Miller.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you for your patience,
I'm-
Ms. Miller. Glad we got it done. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye, Mr. Marshall. All right,
Yes.
Terry, the only one we got to deal with is the one I screwed up. I don't think I signed both of those PRs. I only signed.
Okay. Sonia should have sent that back to you.
I haven't received it. I'm not able to send anything yet.
Okay.
I'm waiting for it to come through.
Oh, okay. Okay, Judge.
What was his name, that last dude? Not Mr. Marshall, the guy before.
Was it, the last one? The last name was granted, right? Brian Mitchell Villarreal.
Yes.
I don't know where it could be. If Sonia doesn't get it and you hit send, right? It should go to Sonia.
It's probably waiting for the second signature. That's the reason why it's not back.
But it won't let me open. That's the problem. The document has already been signed, it says.
Let me see if it's
It shows that it's still pending. It's out for approval.
okay. Let me
So
see about approving it then. Maybe it's mine.
I think it is.
Okay.
Oh, Angelise, you're good. Good seeing you, Angelise. We'll see you in the morning.
So much. Have fun today. Thanks, everyone.
Will
See you
do. I
tomorrow.
always have fun out there.
I
saw-
I'll see you in
Nice.
person tomorrow, Judge.
All right, Alex.
All right.
Bye.
And Terry and deputies, bye.
Bye.
I don't think we need Sabrina for this, for my screw up, do we? I think Sabrina gave me everything that I Sonia and Jordan, I think we have everything else other than the one I screwed up, right?
Correct.
All right.
It's
Sabrina-
just the
Sabrina,
Villarreal that
thanks.
I'm waiting on, Judge.
Yeah, so Sabrina's good. Thanks, Sabrina. We'll see you in the morning.
Okay, thank you, Judge. See you tomorrow.
welcome. I know. Damn it. I signed the first one and then I just X'd out because I just sent. I forgot he had 2 cases.
Okay, I just received it. I'm sending it back.
Hang on, I got it. That's it, guys. I signed the second PR, so that should be good. Thank you for doing that. I apologize.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we should be good. All right, see you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Judge.
Sounds good. Have
Bye.
a
See
good
you
one.
tomorrow, Judge.
All right, Jordan, be good.